Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So in this video we will be covering this end of chapter exercises, and through this video I will be explaining you the whole chapter of orientating yourself, the use of coordinates in this very little exercise. This consists of 16 questions, and in this video we will be covering out 8 of them. Okay, so in this video we will cover these 8 questions, and firstly, let us take out our notebook and note this up. This is our end of chapter exercise. So question number 1 says us that what are the x coordinate and y coordinate of point of intersection of the two axes? This is a very easy question. If you have the answer, wait. Let me give you a hint if you don't have the answer. XY coordinates, we have to, if this is my XY coordinate plane, what is this named as? Have you any idea? Now now let me tell the answer. The answer is origin, and its coordinates are 0, 0. Okay, easy question. We will cover it very nicely. Next question. Point W has x coordinate equal to -5. Okay, can you predict the coordinates of point H, which is on the line through W parallel to y-axis? What quadrants can H lie in? Okay, we have to predict, and we are given that x coordinate of W is equal to -5. We have to predict the coordinates of point H, which is on the line through W parallel to y-axis. Okay, there is a line that is parallel to this. Okay, and here lies W and here lies H. So H can lie in quadrants 2 and 3. If it is parallel to Y, it can lie either in second quadrant or third quadrant. Third question, consider the points R, A, M, P. If they are joined in the same order, predict two sides of RMP that are perpendicular to each other, one side of RMP that is parallel to one of the axes, two points that are mirror images to each other in one axis. Which axis will this be? Okay, we have to plot this on graph paper. Let me explain you this without a graph. So this is R, and from here goes A. Okay, A is it? No, not like this. This is P and this is M. Here lies A. Okay, let me show you through my notebook, and here's my notebook, and I have covered this question very nicely. Let me explain you through that. This is the second question, and this is the third question. So this is the graph RAMP. Okay, so this forms a different type of polygon which has 4 sides. Okay, here first question, which of them is parallel? So PM is perpendicular to MA. So first question, PM is perpendicular to MA. Now see the graph. Which is parallel to y-axis? Which line is parallel to x-axis? So, and the parallel sides of, this is parallel to y-axis. Okay, PM is parallel to y-axis, and MA is parallel to x-axis. So we can say that second, PM is parallel to x-axis A dot, and the MA is parallel to y-axis. Okay, so what are the mirror images of each other in one axis? Which axis will this be? Okay, we have to determine the mirror images of these, and so basically here for third question, P and M are mirror images. Okay, and they lie in quadrant, second and third. Third question over. Now let us look at the fourth question, which says us that the plot point Z, which is 5 comma minus 6, construct a right angle triangle IZN. Find the lengths of the three sides. Answer may differ from person to person. So how I have covered is that this is the point Z, and I have taken I on y axis and N on x axis. So I have made this right angle triangle with I at 0 comma minus 6 and N at 5 comma 0. So we can take the distance formula to find the length of all these three sides, and through that I can take out the length of IN, which is the hypotenuse, which comes out to be under root 61 units. So it will be around and around more than 7 but less than 8. Okay, so next comes question number 5. What would a system of coordinate be like if we did not have negative numbers? Would this system allow us to locate all points on a 2D plane? If all negative numbers, जो हमारे सारे negative numbers हैं, वो अगर disappear हो जाते तो हम किस सारे points quadrant पे locate नहीं कर सकते अगर वो quadrant 1 में ना हो तो अगर क्वाड्रेंट 2, 3 और 4 में है तो हम उसे लोकेट नहीं करते. क्वाड्रेंट 1 वाले पॉइंट्स हम इजीली लोकेट करते हैं क्योंकि उनमें ओनली पॉजिटिव नंबर्स होते हैं. फिर उसके बाद सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन, आर द पॉइंट्स m -3, -4, a 0, 0 and g 6, 8 on the same straight line? Suggest a method to check this without plotting and joining the points. Yes, we can determine this very easily through the system that we will be using. We will use a very nice formula, which is ma plus ag is equal to mg. We will simply find out the distances, which comes out to be this, and if the formula satisfy with the length, which is ma is equal to 5 units, ag is 10 units, so mg becomes 15 units. So they all are collinear. Okay, now let us come to our second last question, which is seventh question. Use your method to check if the points R, B and C are on the same straight line. Now plot both sets of points and check your answer. Okay, R, B and C have the given coordinates, and we will take the same formula as we have taken here, and the length of RB is 5 units. Length of BC is under root 85 units, and RC is equal to under root 1 to 2 units. Here RB plus BC is not equal to RC, so RB and C are not on the same line. So first set and second set are here. Okay, very simply explained. So let us move on to the last question of this video. Using the origin as one vertex, plot vertices of a right angle isosceles triangle. An isosceles triangle with one point in quadrant 3 and 4. So here we have constructed the triangle NPE. Okay, and second triangle PQR, which has points in third and fourth quadrant, and the right angle isosceles triangle with the same units. Okay, very nicely done. So along with this, we have completed our video, and in the next video we will be covering question number 9 to 16, and for that please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the latest notification of all the interesting videos that I give to you. So thank you for watching my video till the end. Thank you.